I divided the thought, these are good, these are bad. Then I practice it. Backward practice don't have the mind in the body are completely eradicated by practicing. And now I want to explain how the eradicated it. Then Buddha, as a foundation, he used first jhana, second and the third and the fourth as a foundation. Then he turned supramundane way. Then there are some unwholesome thoughts. We want to be subdued. If you ask me, because now time is now time is 9:10. Now, if you want to know what the first extreme winner and the second and the third and arahat are, what are the defilements are completely eradicated. Now I want to explain now here. Now I explain. Only first extreme winner, Sotapanna. If anyone who attained the Sotapanna, his thought, I think, Sakkaya Ditti. Sakkaya Ditti defilement. Sakkaya Ditti. Vicikiccha. Silabhata Paramasa. The Pali word Sakkaya Ditti, Vicikiccha, Silabhata Paramasa. I completely eradicate in my mind, and I think I turned supramundane practicing. What you call the Sakkaya Ditti, we call the I, my mind, my body, I am, I. Sakkaya Ditti means I. Then Vicikiccha means any doubt. This is the way directly to go to the enlightenment. Nothing, any doubt. Completely doubt, eradicate. I give you an example. Now sometimes when you go practice meditation, you go, this place is not good. I want to go another place. Another place is good. I want, like this, like a pilgrimage, we are always going temple to temple and going somewhere to find out. We don't doubt. But the first, if you completely dedicate in the I, you don't have any doubt. This is the way directly to go to the enlightenment. Now, doubt may be completely dedicated. Now, third one. Silabhata Paramasa, like this. I told you, this temple is not good. I want to go to another place. This meditation center is not so. I want to go to another. Like this, you are going here and there. This defilement is completely eradicated in the first stream winner. Now, there are remaining Ruparaga, Aruparaga, Mana, Uddacha, Avijja. Then remaining, there are 10 petals. Now I talk you Sakkaya Ditti, Vicikiccha, Silabhata Paramasa, 3, then Kama Raga, sensual pleasure, Rupa Raga, craving for being in a rupa world. Craving for being in a rupa world. Rupa world means first, second, third, first, second, third jhana, there must be a 16 Brahma world. That is why I don't try to explain more. This is 16 Brahma world. It's called Rupa world. Then he has a training in the Rupa world. Eradicate everything. Now Arupa, then the formless world, craving to the formless world. Then the last one, Mana. Mana means conceit. You know the conceit. Proud, conceit. Mana, Uddhacha, it conceit. Avijja. Avijja means ignorance. Avijja. Then these 10 petals now. All the 10 petals are completely eradicated, attaining in the Arahathood. The fourth one, attaining in the Arahathood, the other defilements are completely eradicated. That is why Buddha said, I told you, all defilements in my mind are completely eradicated. I know it really as a Vakkhayana. I know completely my body, then Aswakya, right? Now I give the summary. That is the summary in Veda Vitakka Sutta. You have many questions. Now, only samatha way of practicing meditation, you can't eradicate every thought on your mind. I gave you, while you practicing meditation, here and now, breathe in and breathe out, only temporary, in that time you are getting peace and calm. But you stop it and oh yeah, nothing, you understand it. Like this. If you want to eradicate while practicing samatha, you want to be promising it may be eradicated. Buddha said there are 3 ways we can eradicate in our thought. First is sampatta virati. Virati means refraining from. Get rid of that. There are 3 ways you can refrain from or get rid of. Practice in your samatha meditation. Or if you don't have any meditation, if you want to eradicate in your mind, you practice in this way, in these 3 refraining form. First, sampatta virati. First, sampatta virati. Sampatta virati means any time you meet any occasion, at that time you want to be get rid of or refrain from that situation. It is not so good. It is not so good. It is not so others and not so good. I want to get rid of that state. Any situation, if you have meet in the day-to-day society, occasion, any occasion you will have to meet any occasion. At that time you want to think, it is good for me, it is good for others, it is good for both, and I want to practice it. If not, I don't want to practice. I